If you want to shed pounds without sacrificing muscle or energy, plant proteins are your secret weapon. They are packed with fiber to keep you full and fuel your metabolism. First, let's look at your meal bases. Lentils are a powerhouse with 18 grams of protein per cup. They are loaded with fiber, which crushes hunger for hours. Perfect for soups. Then there is quinoa. It offers 8 grams of protein and is low on the glycemic index, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar. That is key for steady energy and weight control. Next, let's upgrade your snacking. Edamame, young soybeans, packs a massive 17 grams of protein per cup. It's the perfect low-calorie volume snack. Or grab some chickpeas. Whether roasted for crunch or blended into hummus, you get 14 grams of protein plus a serious fiber boost to keep you focused. Finally, the tiny powerhouses you can sprinkle on anything. Chia seeds are a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. They expand in your stomach to physically make you feel fuller. And don't overlook hemp seeds. Just 3 tablespoons add 10 grams of protein and healthy fats that support your metabolism. Here's the bottom line. Weight loss isn't about starving, it's about eating nutrient-dense food. Try adding these to your rotation this week and see how good healthy can taste. Remember to consult your doctor before making big diet changes. Thanks for watching, and here's to feeling your best with every wholesome, plant-based choice.